Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are baking up something extra special, Betty Crocker Reese's Brownie Mix. If you're a fan of rich fudgy brownies and Reese's peanut butter cups, then you're in for a treat. So my oven is set at 325 degrees and I am going to bake it between 36 to 39 minutes. Let's dive right on in. This mix is super easy. We just have to add a few ingredients such as 1 egg and about 3 tablespoons of water. You're going to need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. What I love about this mix is that it is perfect for those quick, cravings when you want something homemade. But without the hassle, let's just go ahead and use this box right here. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and open up this box here. That aside, and then I'm going to cut this open. There we have it. And y'all, inside of this brownie mix here, it does have some peanut butter chips. If you can see that, it has some peanut butter chips. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 1 egg. It calls for 1 egg. 1/3 of vegetable oil. 3 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, 3. And you are going to mix it well. Look at this batter. You can already see chunks of Reese's peeking through. So you can see it. That mix of chocolate and peanut butter is going to be heaven. What's your favorite dessert mashup? Let me know in the comments. Look at that. Look at that. You can see it clearly now that you got all the ingredient mixed up. Okay, I have an 8x8 aluminum pan. You also can use a glass pan. And let's go ahead and pour the batter into the pan. This is non-stick, so I don't have to add any oils or nothing like that to it. I already have my oven preheated to 325. spread it out. Yeah, I know this is going to be so good. I really don't need it, but I had a craving. Yes, I had a craving. Shake it. Make sure there's no air bubbles. Now, it's time to pop this baby in the oven. While we wait for the magic to happen, don't forget to hit the subscription button if you haven't already. You definitely don't want to miss what I am going to whip up next. And here it is. Doesn't it look so pretty? We're going to stick a toothpick in to see if it's cooked all the way. If it comes out wet, it is not finished. So we got a little bit on the end of the toothpick, so we're going to stick it back in for about another 5 minutes. Yeah, it's not quite finished, if you can see that. Okay. Let's try this again. I got the cleaner in here. We're going to see if it's done, and which it is. You can see it is. Tearing it up. It's done. We're gonna let it cool for about 10 minutes. Time for the best part, the taste test. This part of the video, I did cut a piece and I shared with you all how good that the brownie was, but I think I might have deleted the clip by mistake. But here I am, I have the brownies in my hand, you know, after the taste test, letting you know how chewy and gooey it was. I mean, you can taste the peanut butter chips in it. I mean, it was moist. It was really good. So I only had one piece, and then I decided to go ahead, let me cut it up and plate it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you'll be trying this mix at home. And if you have any other recipe you'd like me to make, leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious contents. Most of all, don't forget to hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and please come back because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.